Standard form. We don't use it for graphing, but we do use it for solving equations and doing a variety of other things. So what is standard form? Well, first of all, it needs to have no fractions or decimals, only integers. It also needs to be in the form of ax plus by equals c. And lastly, the leading coefficient, the a term, must be positive. So how do we get into standard form? Well, it's not too bad. The first thing we want to do is eliminate the fractions. With point slope, what you can do is get yourself a little set of parentheses around the other side of the equation. And we're going to multiply both equations by the number 7 in this case to eliminate the fraction. So if I multiply this side by 7 and this side by 7, by distributing I get 7y minus 70. And here, before I distribute, 14 over 7 is going to give us 2. So we're just left with a little lonely negative 2 out there, which is going to be easy to distribute. Be careful of your signs. And now finally, we just want to gather our x's and y's on one side and our constants on the other. So we're going to add 2x to both sides. So we have 2x plus 7y. And we're going to ditch this 70 by adding it to the other side as well, so that we have 78. And now it's perfect. In this case, it's going to work out pretty well with the slope-intercept to standard form. We're just going to multiply every single term by the number 4 to eliminate that 4. Since there are no parentheses here, every single term on both sides of the equation needs to get hit. So we're going to get hit there, here, and don't forget the y-intercept needs to get that 4 as well. So I cancel those 4's out, and I get 4y is equal to negative 7x plus 60. Again, now just move that x to the other side. Add 7x to both sides, and we have 7x plus 4y is equal to 60. Now you might be wondering, what happens if x is negative? If you should encounter a negative problem like that, we're going to show you in this next little demonstration. What happens if you have a terrible problem where you have fractions all over the place? Well, again, we want to find a multiple of 9 and 6 that's going to eliminate both. The easiest way is to go to the larger number 9 and just keep doubling it. Keep doing multiples of it. So 18, yes, 18 is a number they both have in common. Let's multiply everybody by 18. And that's going to eliminate all of these fractions. We're going to get 18y equals, that's 36 over 9, it's just equal to 4. And if you just do the canceling, you get 2 times 2, so that is 4x, minus, and the 6 and the 18 cancel, and we get a little 15. Now if I bring the x to this side, it isn't going to be positive. But that's okay, because I think we should see what happens. What happens is you should not panic. Negative 4x plus 18y is equal to negative 15. Just multiply or divide by negative 1, however you like to think of it, and now you have 4x minus 18y is equal to positive 15. And you're done.